Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this camping cot that supports 450 pounds. So that is actually quite a lot. I'm gonna just take it out of this strap over here with the clamp, so it's gonna be super easy. It also comes with a bag, so you can actually take it with you on the go for like camping, hiking, fishing. If you're crashing some friends and family house, something like that, you can take it out with you on that bag. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just push it. Once you're done, you're gonna see that there's gonna be a clamp right here on each one of the sides, so you gotta kind of like push it up. And once you push that one up, let's do it right now, just like that, a little bit, one more time, and you should be all set. So this one, what I want to show you, let me show it to you in a closer look. But before that, you can see that you have this like surface, which is going to be already pretty good, I think. So it's not going to be something that I don't know, you can't sleep on it. You can totally use this one, but also it comes with this really nice breathable mesh, because it's made of mesh and it's breathable, kind of like cushion that it will guarantee you a better sleep. And of course, you can see that the part over there is a little bit inclined and elevated. That's going to give you kind of like a pillow sense. But then, as I was telling you before, you're going to make sure that this part right in the middle is kind of like making contact with the floor, just by pushing it and making sure that it does make contact. Once you're done, the frame is actually really comfortable. It is pretty easy to kind of like fold back and put together in this horizontal position. You also have pockets, multiple pockets. You have mesh pockets, and then pockets for your like a book or a tablet on your devices, like a cell phone, like a water bottle. You have this pocket over here. And then check this out. By the way, I'm 5'10". I weigh 183 pounds. You can see that I fit perfectly here. I think it's for people about, I want to say 6.2, 6.3. Still going to be comfortable right here. This kind of like elevation point is also really good to have that kind of like your head a little bit elevated. And then you can see this one. It's just for one person that supports 450 pounds. Easy to carry with you, easy to fold back, easy to put in horizontal position. It comes with this really nice kind of like breathable mesh pillow, or cushion, actually better say. And of course, just like with the pockets and the weight limit, it's a no-brainer. I'm actually gonna take a nap here or something, because it's actually really comfortable. I like it. I do recommend this one 100%. Thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.